Hi everybody, welcome back. Today I have for you the finale on my series, Can I Pan It? First off, I want to say hi and welcome. I do know I have had a little bit of a surge in subscribers, so definitely want to say hey y'all. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. Truly means a lot to me. If you're interested or you haven't seen my other Can I Pan It videos, I will link those down below for you in the description box. But today is the finale on this small, I'm going to say, how long have I had this going on? 4 months. 4 months of my very first ever panning project, hence the name Can I Pan It? So let's get straight in and let's see what I got done. First up, we'll start off with the foundations. The first one here, this is the m.a.c Pro Longwear. I'm the shade NC30. This is actually gone. I know it looks like it's full and everything, but that's because I have had my little spatty in there and I've been scraping away. So we are just about ready to go back to m.a.c. And it is, I might have one more use in it. I don't know if it's going to be a full use. I might have to pull another foundation to help me out. But I did get through this and I do love this product. So yes, I will definitely be repurchasing that. Next one up is the Maybelline Superstay Better Skin. Now from the last update, I did mark it here. Now it is a little, it looks like it might have been sitting in here a little bit. It's showing it's down here, which isn't very much further, but I think it is a little bit further gone than that. Like if I turn to this side, you can definitely see there's a big old gap in between there. So I probably have maybe 4 or 5 uses left of this, maybe 6, just depending upon. I did make really good progress, especially since I think in the beginning I started up a little further. I marked it, but I rubbed it off. Next, the powder foundation from Milani, the Even Touch. Again, doesn't look like I've made much of a difference. There is a really good dip in it. This is one that they are discontinuing, so it's not like it's going to be something I'm going to be able to repurchase again. But I do still really like this, and I'm glad I have some on hand. But I didn't get much done with it, but I did get some use out of it. So it kind of was the goal, and I'm pretty satisfied with that. Next up, my contour palette, the e.l.f. contour palette. Definitely big dips. This is pretty much done. I'm going to buy a new one. You can see I'm just scraping around the edges for the contour because I do love this contour shade. It's just perfect for my skin tone. Definitely much bigger hole. I went back to using this to set my concealer. That was successful. And the bronzer palette. I definitely think I need to go get a new one. This one down here is starting to get a little bit of hard pan going on it. Not too bad. We definitely made a really good dip, surprisingly, in this one. But I've really, the older I get as well, I've really paled up this past winter. So this is the one I've been going to the most because the other two have just been a little too dark for me. Believe it or not, I know. The point is, I've made very good progress on that. So I think I can justify going out and buying a new one. Makeup Revolution, the matte blush in Fusion. Again. We have to be done. I have cracked the peninsula down the middle. And it's just, it just falls apart as I use it. There it went. So I think we are done. I definitely love this blush. I really do. The formula is amazing. It's an amazing color. It's just beautiful. The problem is it's just so stinking soft. It's okay that we're done with it. It's okay that it's going away because I'm going to replace it. As for you, the Wet n Wild Color Icon Blush, old formula and packaging. It's never going to get used up. I've come to the realization that I'm never going to hit pan on this. Again, the swirl pattern is still showing. I don't think I'll ever get to the end of this. I think I'm still going to go out and buy the new one just for the heck of it, just to see what really the difference was in between the two. Other than that, I'm not going to fret on that one anymore. My highlighters, well, we'll just say that for Makeup Revolution, it was just a bad month for my Makeup Revolution products. Because 5 minutes prior to filming this video, I dropped the highlighter one and I broke the cap off. Now, some people might be okay with that and say, oh, it's just a little cap. I I can't deal with this because that means it's going to be a nightmare for storage reasons. I do love this one. I got a really good dip in the middle. It's kind of really hard to see, but there is a really good dip in the middle of this. Really do love it. So we're done with you. Gonna have to go out and repurchase a new one of that. And of course, this gigantic thing. Now we did get a much bigger hole, so I'm happy for that. But this is the Wet n Wild Color Icon Bronzer. This is in the shade Reserve Your Cabana. This does expire on the 31st of this month, so it had to be replaced anyway. But I did get really good use out of it because I really got a good amount of pan showing in there. And honestly, that's probably the closest I've ever got, or the most I've ever panned one of these before in the past. And last, certainly not least, yep, good old chocolate bar. Where are we at? We're still here. Despite me using this almost every single day, very regularly, unless I was doing another look for a video or something, this is the palette I have been using. It is what I have on today as well. Again, a testament to the formula of the Too Faced chocolate bar. That's all I can say. There are huge dips in white chocolate, salted caramel, strawberry bonbon, and marzipan. Everything else pretty much still the same. Got to thinking, maybe I won't buy it just for the sake of buying it. Maybe I'll just be nostalgic and keep this little guy here, and who knows. But I did get a lot of use out of it. I played with a lot of other colors in here that I normally pass up. So all in all, it was a good experience for that. So, but I did not pan it. And so that's it. That is my final update for this particular Can I Pan It series. Look out to the future. I definitely got some inspiration. I think I'm definitely going to try and get into some other things, and we'll probably, maybe starting next month, we'll start a new Can I Pan It series. You all give me encouragement. Let me know I can still do this. You guys were fantastic with that. When I asked for positive vibes, everybody said, you can do it, you can do it. And I did. I gave it my best. I did manage to pan one thing, and that was this foundation, so I am happy about that. Once again, I want to thank you, of course, for spending a little bit of your time with me today. I truly, truly do appreciate it. Make sure, of course, as always, before you leave, that you are subscribed to my channel. You definitely don't want to miss out on any videos that I have going on here. And I will see you all next time. Bye-bye.